Babies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be working with Hairinbeauty. Of course, this is a newer company for me. I've never worked with them before, but I did get a chance to review about 3 different packages from them of the same type of hair, so you guys will see videos, if not already, regarding the hair and things like that. So first things first, this is what the packaging looks like. Really nice, pretty box. Of course, I'm outside, so there is a little bit of construction going on, so completely disregard if it gets a little crazy, okay? If you guys are not already subscribed, now is a good time to go ahead and do that. Make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you never miss another video. I did a couple of things with this this hair. I did actually completely dye the hair to see how quick it ombre. I actually turned it into a wig, and then I did a ponytail. So those are different videos you guys will see here and there, and then of course the review, just to kind of give you an idea of, you know, how I feel about the hair. I feel like I have not done that with a hair company in a while. So here this is. First things first, when you open up the box, obviously I've already opened up this box. I saved the last package here and the hair that was unused just to kind of show you, but this is what the packaging looks like. It's a really small and compact box, really compact box here, and then of course you get your bundle. So I did have a 26 and then 2 24s, and then of course a frontal. Let me show you what the frontal looks like because I was really excited. This is what this hair looks like. So you guys know sometimes companies do not give you matching frontals. I'm like, wait, you're gonna sell me a 22, 24, 26 with a 16-inch frontal? Like, make it make sense. So I did actually receive an 18-inch frontal, which is exciting because it will match. And then you guys know I usually like to layer the hair, so this is what this looks like. The lace is extremely soft, which is important. I think a lot of people forget about that. You know, you find a good deal, but you want to make sure that you're getting thin lace and also soft lace. That's going to make the difference in your install. You guys can see that it is a light brown color. It does melt into my skin tone with ease. It does have some baby hairs already on the unit, and it looks like it's lightly plucked, but honestly I'm not sure. When I made the video, I did actually you know, customize it, bleach the knots, pluck it myself, just because that's something that I standardly do. But taking a look at this, like, look how thin out it is. I don't know if like I'm tripping, but like the hair lays down really well, so that is appreciated. And then like I said, the lace is really thin, soft, and durable. This does look like about a 13 by 14, but of course all the details will be listed down in my description box below, so you guys won't have to worry about that at all. If they do give me any coupon codes or anything like that, I'll be sure to get it to you, just because, you know, what else am I here for, you know? They did also provide me with some lashes. You guys know I don't know that I'm really a lash girl. I'm more of like a natural phase, pop on some mascara and kind of go, but they did give me some lashes, so I will be trying these out just to kind of see what they look like. I'm sure this is just like a gift, so thank you guys for this. And then also for the bundle itself, you guys can see it comes in this protective package, which the frontal did as well. And you just kind of pop this out. You guys see that they do have this white kind of rope band here to protect the hair, which I appreciate because it doesn't snag or tug on the hair. But most importantly, I wanted to show you what the actual wefts look like. So I did kind of hold on to one. I don't know, mangled and tangled this before the video. I don't know how I did that, but nevertheless, you guys see how easy it is to detangle. If you do have any issues, I was not getting any shedding. So I've had the hair now for about a month, and I have not had any issues with shedding, like nothing problematic. Obviously, if I do get a little tangle or something like that, you go ahead and pull that out, but even with the bundle, like, I'm not getting shedding. I've worked with companies before, and right out of the gate I'm getting shedding, but you know, usually I'll turn those into quick weave so that you kind of don't have to worry about that. In this case, I do see already that the hair has a little light brown tones, so this lets me know that of course it was not previously dyed. I know some companies do tend to dye their hair black, which makes it harder to bleach. So I did actually bleach this hair. I did a quick little ombre tutorial for you guys, which you guys will see later, just to kind of show you how the hair can lift and to what extent it will go, I guess, the fastest. So I did use a 20 or 30 volume developer, and then I left that on for about maybe 20 to 30 minutes, and it lifted, boom, fast. I got a light brown color, and I was extremely excited about that. Didn't really get too much red tones, which is something else you want to think about when you kind of invest in hair. So for the price, in my opinion, I already was really excited about the hair. And then of course, you guys, for my stylists and people that are familiar with bundles and wefts, sorry y'all, So the people that are familiar with Wift, you guys see, usually there's something called beards on the unit where, or not the unit, but the bundles, where pretty much they fold over the hair. The beards on this unit are extremely short. You guys can barely even see that they exist. That is extremely exciting because they did give me the full length of hair. There aren't any like full fillers or anything like that where they're attempting to just kind of pack it on towards the tip of the hair and then it thins out towards the bottom. From root to tip, you are getting full hair, which is one of the main things that I noticed straight out of the gate looking at this bundle. For this to be a 24 and even the 26 inch, it is completely full from root to tip. Extremely exciting, and you don't usually get that with a lot of companies, especially with straight hair. Straight hair is usually the hardest to work with, and so I always tell my clients, you know, get you a body wave because you can always press it out. But in this case, the straight works perfectly. You don't even have to think about it. Literally put it on and go. And you guys know that I love to do like quick little ponytails, half up, half down styles. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you pretty much know all the styles that I do. I'm not really a color girl, so I definitely appreciate this. And the hair actually matches mine perfectly, so I didn't have to make any alterations to it. Now the hair did have a little smell to it. Now it's not a smell that kind of makes me uncomfortable or it smells like corn chips or anything like that, but it is a smell that smells manufactured, which obviously it came from somewhere, so in some way it was manipulated. The only thing I would say is probably wash and condition your bundles beforehand. That's something that I like to do anyway. The hair is really soft, and if you guys have been a client of mine ever purchased a wig, I do specialize, not really specialize, but I always I guess make the comment that if the hair doesn't feel like butter, I don't want it. Okay, when I say that, it's literally smooth like silk, smooth like butter. Okay. So nevertheless, the hair is really smooth. The only conditioner and shampoo that I use on my weaves are usually the Aussie Moist. It's like the 3-minute moist deep conditioner. So I'll use the shampoo and then use the conditioner, leave that on for about 3 to 5 minutes, boom, and go. And I've never had an issue. So in my opinion, for me to have had this hair for about a month, I am extremely confident, 10 out of 10 over here, that this hair will last more than a year, especially if you're going to be doing a weave, especially if you're going to be just using it for ponytails. You know, you can do a little middle part, swoop to the back, you can do a side part, half up, half down. I just did a video on how to create a half up, half down wig unit where it's like this back piece is literally just a wig. You can kind of pop it on, pop it off. So you guys, there are so many options and possibilities with working with this company. I'm excited. I don't know. Like I said, if I do have any coupons or anything like that, I will definitely leave that for you because you know the holidays are coming. People are going to be wanting Christmas gifts. I know my sisters are wanting wigs. I'm like, oh goodness. So if you guys are interested in that and you're not familiar with how to make a wig, I do actually offer a service where I'm able to create wigs for you. It's forevercryssy.com, or you can just email me at forevercryssy@gmail.com, and I am able to pretty much just make you a unit so you can buy the hair from this company, and then we kind of just work that out to be able to have it sent to me, and then of course I get it out to you within 2 to 3 days. So really quick turnaround time. You don't really have to think about it too much. But yeah, this is going to be like one of my top companies. So towards the end of the year, I'm actually going to be doing a top 5 hair companies. Already 2 of those companies have already been posted, kind of made a note about it, so definitely make sure that you look out for that video because you do not want to miss the top companies of 2020. Okay, I'm sorry, 2019. So you don't want to miss my top companies of 2019, which hopefully, obviously, if they made this to 2019, they should make it to 2020 because the hair should pretty much last forever. The only thing you may have to do if you have like a wig unit is probably going to be to tighten up your thread over time, but you should not even have to do that, to be honest. If you're threading and kind of knotting the appropriate way, you should be good. But all in all, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm still like running my fingers through this hair because it feels amazing. And you guys know I'm 5'2", so when I get some bundles like this, I am feeling it. So I don't know, that is it. Again, if you are not subscribed already, now is a good time to go ahead and do that. I love you guys. Leave any comments or questions down below. I will get to that. If there's anything like I left out or something that you might want to know specifically about bundles and kind of how this ordering process works, definitely let me know. The shipping and the turnaround for this company was really quick, so I did get the hair really fast, so that's not something you have to worry about. You know, some companies go MIA, but no, they are extremely professional, which I do appreciate. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will see you guys next time. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babies.